you need watermelon so that you can proceed with your recipe. Just a smaller piece of watermelon is enough for this home recipe to take place, guys. Trust me, this is amazing recipe which you need ever for your performance to become better, guys. Yes, just need a smaller piece of watermelon like this one to proceed with your recipe. This is amazing recipe for your performance to get better, to start going for hours during sleeping. So you just need to finish this video from the beginning up the end. And please, if you have never subscribed to this YouTube channel, Easy Tips 256, my dear, you are missing a lot. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and of course leave a comment in the comment section as usual. So we need just the inner part of this watermelon, as you see, and I recommend you don't remove the seeds. Okay, try to do what I'm doing right now. Yes, if your performance, if your sleeping is not good, trust me, watermelon will do better to bring it back. And remember, this recipe, children and pregnant women are not supposed to use it. So it's needed just only you to use it so that you bring back your performance. Okay, from that we need a blender like this one. Put your cut ingredients into your blender. This recipe is very easy to make at home and it's very easy to get the ingredients. Okay, so from the beginning up the end, you realize that you need few ingredients to make such amazing recipe at home. But before we go to the end of our video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel Easy Tips. Invite your friends to this YouTube channel Easy Tips. Leave a comment in the comment section, and of course you can share this video to your friends on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. Why not? So that we benefit from each other, guys. From that, as you see, this is our watermelon which I have cut. Put it in your favorable container, let me say your favorable blender. Then after, I want you to get for me fresh ginger. As you see, guys, fresh ginger. You are going to get just a small piece from your ginger, guys. As you see, just a small piece of it. Yes, make sure that your ginger is very fresh, not dry, not old, but get a fresh ginger so that you get good results. Trust me, if you have a weak part, if your part is very weak, if you go for sleeping, you only go for 2 minutes, you don't come back for another round, this is a good idea for you to bring it back. But make sure that you remove the outer parts of your ginger, as you see what I'm doing right now. Then you have to cut your ginger into small parts so that it's easier for the blender to blend it. So make sure that you cut your ginger into small parts, as I'm doing right now, guys. But before I proceed, or before you go to the end of this video, please subscribe if you have never subscribed. Invite your friends to my YouTube channel Easy Tips 256. Yes, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course share this video to your friends. But remember, this video we are looking at how you can use watermelon to start sleeping for hours to obtain good results. Trust me, after using this home recipe, you realize that watermelon can make wonders when it comes to sleeping time. As you see, this is our cut ginger, as you see. So I'm going to add it into our blender, as you see, guys. Just add it to your blender, as you see. I want you to get for me cloves. Cloves, you can get it in your nearby supermarkets, in local supermarkets, but we need cloves. So you need only 1 spoon of cloves. Let me say a tablespoon of cloves. So we have to cut, and we get just a small spoon of our cloves. This spoon is enough. This is a tip spoon. It's enough. Just 1 is enough to get good results. Okay, 1 is enough to get good results. As you see, guys, add it to your blender, which contains your ingredients. Trust me, when you follow what I'm telling you right now, you'll never regret why this channel is available for you. It's a tips 256. So lastly, I recommend you to add hot boiled water. Add hot water, guys. Okay, add hot water. As you see, it's very hot, so we need hot water to proceed with our home recipe. If you don't have a blender, guys, make sure that you buy a blender, and I recommend you to have a blender at home, because most of the home remedies I'll be uploading here on my channel is a tips 256. You'll need a blender. But make sure that, guys, you blend very well, because there is cloves and we have added hot water. So you have to make sure that, guys, you blend very well so that you can obtain good results from this home recipe. Make sure that you filter very well your juice. I recommend you to add at least 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Okay, natural honey. 1 tablespoon of natural honey. This is enough because I'm just showing you guys. Just add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Make sure that you mix very well so that your honey mix with other ingredients. Trust me, when you use like the way I've told you, or like the way I'm going to tell you, you won't remain the same, guys. This is a powerful recipe which you need to bring back your performance, to sleep very well every day. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a tips 256, to share this video to your friends, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, and of course to leave a comment in the comment section. So, and remember, children and pregnant women are not supposed to take this home recipe, okay? But you, I want you every day, when you have just waken up, you, the one watching this video, I want you to take this home recipe every day on your empty stomach. It means when you have just waken up like this, make this juice, take it on your empty stomach. Take it every day. Trust me, after 4 weeks, you'll be sleeping very well and you'll experience good results. Trust me, watermelon, you need it at home. Take it every day, expect good results, to make it stiff, strong and energetic. Why not? Have you subscribed? Just take it every day on your empty stomach. Trust me, during bedtime, after 4 weeks, you'll be performing good and you expect good results. So I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.